Catch you.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
You know what they say about reckoning?
I don't, but I reckon it's a lot like assuming.
Yeah, something like that.
You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Every time?
Every time.
We got what looks like a 1091B near Peachtree exit 285. All cars have to keep on the lookout for 91B in the area.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
You've got an opinion then?
Wouldn't say that. I go in for that innocent till proven guilty thing, even considering who they say you killed.
Be advised, medical personnel en route to Hartsfield, various 10-20 coming in.
I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You want to know how I see it?
Sure.
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
Riot in progress. All officers are available for incoming.
Any of that seem important to you?
All of it. That box never shuts up. Sit in this seat and pay too much attention and you'll drive yourself crazy. I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're
All
sitting.
officers are available for incoming 2-1.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop, that that's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
So did he do it?
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. Oh, I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious if I do say so.
Watch out!
This other time...
Sur cet accident épique, on commence l'aventure The Walking Dead, les amis. se retrouve dans la carcasse de la voiture écrasée. Enfin écrasée, qu'il y a eu un accident du moins.
Oh, shit. Thirsty. Ah! Fuck! My leg.
Pauvre gars. Il y a le corps, on dirait...
Hey! Hey, officer! Are you alright? I'm still cuffed back here!
Ah. Ça doit faire mal quand même. Il y a un fusil au sol.
Officer!
Cartouche de fusil. Ça va faire un mal de chien. Bon bah fusil alors.
The officer's shotgun is over there.
Et je vois bien mon ami. Alors comment on se dirige? Non. On va aller voir l'officier. C'est assez bizarre je trouve pour se diriger. Oh, ça doué hein. Voilà, c'est déjà...
Officer?
Oh,
Holy shit!
merde, merde. Ah ouais, bah. Eh bah voilà, ça commence fort. Il me fait bouger. Et il voulait pas reculer. Sniff, cliquez pour continuer. Alors ça va être quoi pour reculer? Parce que les touches, je peux pas les configurer moi-même, elles sont configurées bizarrement. Oui.
Holy shit!
Allez, vite, 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 on recule, on recule. Ah bah, il y a le fusil, il y a le fusil, le fusil. Vite. Ah, oh, il les nouille, mon dieu qu'il les nouille. Vite, vite, vite.
Don't make me do this!
Ouh. Il m'a fait flipper le con quand même. Ouais.
His skin's all rotten and he smells like shit. What the hell is this?
Ah bah lève-toi. Non. Ah voilà.
Help!
Ah.
Go get someone! There's been a shooting!
Petite fille. Oh putain. Oh là là. Oh il y en a plein. Ouais. Cours mon gars. Oh mon dieu qu'il est con. Allez. Allez. Oh là là. Il y en a de partout. Ah ouais, grave même. Allez vite. J'aime beaucoup les graphismes en cel shading. Ça rend bien, je trouve. Ah, ils sont attirés par les coups de feu. Un petit peu comme dans la série. Je sais pas si vous avez eu l'occasion de regarder la série The Walking Dead. Faut avouer qu'elle est vraiment pas mal du tout, quoi. Bon. C'est déjà un petit peu plus safe.
Anybody?
Il a l'air d'y avoir un monde. Non, là il y a une piscine. Il n'y a rien. C'est là. Plateau avec un service à thé. Bah, c'est pour les enfants, mais il y a une échelle. Ah, il y a une cabane.
I'd fill one of those teacups with some bourbon if I could. Help! No ladder. I'm not getting up there anyway. This leg the way it is.
Et il y avait une autre action. Voilà.
Anybody up there?
Apparemment non.
Somebody! Yell if you can hear me!
Hop. Ouais, elles sont configurées vraiment bizarres les touches. Et je peux même pas les modifier, c'est assez problématique. On va essayer de s'y faire. Hein. Il y a
I wonder
quelqu'un.
if anybody's home.
Bah regarde, putain, il y a des zombies encore. Bon bah les ouvre.
Hello? Anybody home? I need a little help.
On va tenter d'ouvrir et de jeter un œil quand même.
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
Ouais, je serais lui, je refermerai pas. Enfin, remarque.
Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them.
Ouais. Ça c'est
These
glauque. Hein.
people might eat wild than I do.
Livre de coloriage. Jolie petite licorne. Non, c'est pas comme ça. Je vais y arriver. Hein. Voilà. Ah. Il y a un message sur le répondeur, dirait-on. Tiens, je vais faire un tour de la cuisine. Marre de sang.
Jesus.
Et traces de petites mains dessus, on dirait. Mais qu'il est con. En plus, il vient juste de, de l'examiner, quoi. Note.
Marsh House. That's a Savannah area code. But that's the type of note you'd leave a babysitter.
Ouais, donc il y avait bien un enfant ici. Bah c'est... Il me semblait bien que c'était une gamine de toute façon qu'on avait vu près de la voiture. Tiens, un talkie-walkie. Bon, il le garde. Tiroir.
This place has been ransacked. Just about anything worthwhile is gone.
Bon. Oui,
Ça,
j'arrive. Le téléphone. Ah bah voilà un verre d'eau. T'avais soif? Fait du bien. Alors.
There are 3 new messages.
Oh, ouais. Alors attendez. C'est le bordel pour se diriger. Ah, c'est là. Hop. J'ai vraiment pas envie de monter.
Maybe there's something on there. Maybe there's something
Ouais,
on there.
j'ai déjà dit. C'est juste que j'ai cliqué trop vite. Hop.
3 new messages. Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Sandra. This is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before your spring break.
Message 2, left at 11:19 p.m.
Oh my god, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
Message 3, left at 6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911. We love you. We love you. We love you.
Petite Clémentine.
Huh? Hello?
You need to be quiet.
D'accord. Qui
Who
est-ce?
is this?
I'm Clementine. This is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee.
You're not my daddy.
Non.
No, I'm not.
Elle doit être dans la cabane. Non, t'enfonce pas dans la maison comme ça. Quel âge
How
as-tu?
old are you?
8.
And you're all alone?
Yes. I don't know where anybody is. How old are you?
I'm, 37.
Okay.
Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
Are you safe?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Oui, oui. Oh mais qu'il est con. 2 fois. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse? Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse? Voilà. Ouais, vite. Oh mais mon dieu. Aïe aïe aïe. Allez, allez, allez. Crève. 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 Ah. Tendu. Tendu, tendu quand même.
Man,
Ouais.
hi there.
Did you kill it?
Ouais, je pense.
Yes,
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
I think so too. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
what should we do now?
Va chercher de l'aide en haut qu'il fasse nuit. Hein.
We need to find help before it gets dark.
Yeah, it's not safe at night.
Ouais, les choix ont des répercussions.
Let's go. Stay close to me.
En espérant que je me plante pas totalement. Alors. Oh là là. Ah, c'est des gens. Ils m'ont fait peur.
I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate.
This sucks.
Oh, it's hot this night.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
Ils le feront pas, à mon avis.
They
Hein.
won't. We should go.
Then they'll find me, right?
I won't leave you alone, okay? Hey, man!
Holy shit!
Don't eat us! We're not gonna hurt you.
Phew. Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Do you know what the hell this is?
No idea. So you've seen them then?
You could say that.
I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Lee, this is Clementine.
I'm Chet.
We shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm. It should be safer there.
I'm not her dad. I'm just some guy.
Some guy?
Yeah.
She's alone? Let's get going. Staying put for too long is a mistake.
What do you want to do?
Them monsters coming.
We gotta go.
Lee, quick, let's go.
Allez, allez, allez. Clémentine qui nous aide.
For just some guy, seems like you saved a bunch of lives today.
C'est bien parce qu'il s'est souvenu de ce que je lui ai dit quand j'ai dit que j'étais juste quelqu'un. Donc ça peut être sympa ce petit système de... Je me souviens de ce que t'as dit ultérieurement, tout ça. Enfin que les choix aient des impacts en fait. On va se retrouver dans la ferme. On va voir comment ça a évolué. Ce sera peut-être déjà plus... un petit peu plus safe comme endroit. Hein. Enfin en tout cas ça a l'air.
Hey, Sean.
C'est comme dans la série.
My mama's gonna be in a snip.
No sweat, man. I'll
Y a
catch
pas
you tomorrow
d'endroit
night.
sûr.
It was nice to meet you both.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then. You've brought a couple guests.
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Glad he could be a help to somebody. So it's just you and your daughter then?
Oh, not his daughter. He's, well, just some guy who found her alone.
Honey, do you know this man?
Bah non, je viens de la rencontrer.
Yes.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Merci bien, monsieur.
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
It hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green. How'd this happen?
Car accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
En prison. Juste en dehors.
Just out for a drive.
Livraison.
We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
I was with a police officer. He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there when we're done here. I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad, so I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
I wouldn't worry
Merde.
too much. We're pretty far from the city. Seems like that's where it's
Je voulais
worst.
répondre le 1 et j'ai répondu
Yeah.
le 2.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
Oh, il y a un bug.
I saw a cop come back from the dead.
Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of chores as it is.
Lee and those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Thanks.
If your leg gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably just have to shoot you. We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
There's blankets and such in the barn. We'll be seeing you bright and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed?
Towards Macon, I suppose. All right then.
It smells like...
Shit. I'm sorry. I shouldn't talk like that.
That was a swear. I miss my mom and dad.
I bet, Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
I love you, baby.